cut it. Let's get over these trees. Okay, we got our spot up there. And big gust there. Oh, come on, let's nail this. There's our cutoff tree. Yoink. Oh, bird. Let's not let that distract us. Full flap as soon as we can there. They were definitely slower sooner than I wanted to be, but that's probably better because we want this landing to be short.
Close, man.
America. That's
way
America
clear.
Right there. Real bouncy. But,
Oh! Oh! Let's go! There we go.
Yeah, baby, that looked good. That looked good. All right, let's rip the straightaway. This is no big deal. Cup just ripping, dude, 110 mile an hour. Creeping up on 120 as we crest the hill here. Make the turn, identify our stopping point up here. So I'm gonna make it a little earlier. There it is. All right, we're gonna be a little slower this time. Help us have a more controlled turnaround. Last one is kind of ugly. Just a little bit. Okay, big slip. Let's get those flaps out. Get settled in for a short landing. We want to be slow, boys. Way past. Way past.
Oh, a little bounce on that one.
Okay, now that one's going to be longer than his last one. Still a great run, though.
Nice. All right, nice.
Bro, that suspension?
Husky's final
Boom.
sandbar.
Glue.
That was the coolest thing ever.
Let's go. We are out here on the river, brother.
On the river in a plank.
Just landed on that sandbar and then we just taxied right through this water. Woohoo! Cubs looking good. Stuck the landing with that new suspension. Sweet, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Holy crap. Oh, Brother!
You said the Stinger's waterproof, right?
Yeah.
Clean.
It's a lot of fun, dude. Being
That
out
was
of the
so
river,
sick.
just sick.
There he is, dude. Landed the plane in the Freedom Factory, dude.
Perfect spot. Hey! For the pad.
And he's in!
Dude.
He's in!